As Lady Lisa. See, this is the story behind that. Miss Sherry Brown called me Lady Lisa, and everyone else did too. So thanks to Sherry. But before we go into the presentation, honey, I just want to share a little bit of my story, just quickly. I did not catch hold to Karatbars in the beginning like my husband did. My husband is my upline sponsor. When Karatbars came to him, he kept it a little bit on the DL. How many of y'all here, you got spouses or friends, you're in Karatbars, but you're on the DL with it, right? Because, you've been into one of these things before, and you wanted to carry people with you, and you did, and it's like you're no longer friends with those people. You're no longer married to those people. You know what I'm saying? So my husband was one of the people who got in first, and he kept it on the DL. See, one thing about our relationship, when we get a little personal, I support him in everything, right? Whether I say something or not, we've been married for so long, going on 27 years. I know he's crazy. You know what I'm saying? You get to a point you love your spouses, and what is he doing now? So what my husband did was he was, again, on the DL. He was working the business. He signed me up. July the 4th, Sister Sherry. July the Independence Day. He signed me up. That day is so, oh man, it's just so deep in my heart. Another story, okay? But he signed me up, and what my husband did, he started working my account.
Wow.
He ordered my Karatbars card.
All right now.
He, got the PIN number and everything set. So one Saturday, he said, honey, I just want to be a blessing to you. What we gonna do? Blessing, okay. It's different when your husband said it and somebody else said so. He said, I'm gonna give you this, and I want you to go out and just have fun. I'm thinking, what? And it was a Karatbars card. If somebody give you a Karatbars MasterCard, he like, okay, well, in my house, you're like, oh Lord. It's like, okay, what you gonna spend and all that stuff. I went out and I was very modest, and I came back and I gave him a receipt. He said, hey, this is all you want? I said, yeah, I didn't really want anything. I mean, and then things started to come alive. I started to, Mr. Vic, Uncle Vic, pay attention. I started listening. I started looking more and learning. When I came to Let's Go Weekend 5, Let's Go Weekend, and for the new people, is headed up by the one and only, the Duke and Duchess of Destiny, Mr. Michael Dowd, and his wonderful wife, Mr. Bronco. I was in Let's Go Weekend 1, okay? And I was looking at people like they were crazy. Because everybody coming in, I was ready to go upstairs. And, when you first come in, you don't understand that. But once I started listening, looking, I began learning. And Coach Dwayne, I started seeing all the possibilities for my family is right there on the table. Yeah. The things that you